Are you tired of endless clicks trying to find the RSS widget in Elementor? By the end, you'll add and customize any feed in under 3 minutes. I'll show you how to open the page, place the RSS widget, adjust its feed settings, and publish. Let's start by opening the Projects page. Go to Edit Projects with Elementor. Click the highlight element. Now, click on WordPress. Then click on WordPress once more. And from there, select RSS. Click the RSS feed URL field. Click the optional title field. Click the item count field. Click Display Item Content. Now open the Advanced tab. Then click on Layout. And click on Layout again. Click Update Changes to Page. Finally, click Apply. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.